Dear Lucifer, I want to be your greatest evildoer. I want to make your harvest many. Even when your laborers are few, I want to make your harvest many. Speak to me, Lucifer. Show me what to do. Tell me how I can make more harvest for you. Speak to me. Cast. Less Tisak. S B E L L. Spell. Cast spell. Cast spell. Oh my God. After we had a good time last night, I started thinking of what you can do for me.
Okay.
You see, the ministry is not getting as good as I was thinking it would be. So I wish for more. And I'm looking for a way to cast spell on people. And with the spell, I can make them do my will. Not necessarily their father's will, my will, all right?
Yes.
So for them to do my will, I need to put them under a spell. So I have something nice for you.
Okay.
And this is how I can make you a star.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Because you have to be an agent that can help me achieve my goal. So in this box, we have ingredients. The ingredients in here is made out of a spell. So the spell is what will make people do whatever I command them to do. So when you cook as a chef online, I will do whatever it takes to set up a studio for you and make you a big brand on social media. If you can go all out on this, your fans will want to cook like you. Let's say a show like Cook Like Lila.
Wow.
Cook like Lila. So when people now want to cook like Lila, you always encourage them to click the link in your bio for them to order for your special ingredients so that their food can taste like yours.
Okay.
When they cook like Delilah or Lila, all right?
Okay.
So, but that ingredient they will buy will be a spell that whenever they cook with it, anybody that eats that food will be under my spell. Morning start to you. Sit down.
I was told you wanted to see me.
Yes. You were very good at giving head the other day.
That was actually my first time.
Your first time? You're a good beginner.
Thank you.
There's a bright future for you in giving head. So now, your name please.
My name is Rachel.
Rachel. Rachel is a beautiful name, but I want something extraordinary. Something that will make you have the powers that goes beyond the name Rachel. I'm looking at you bearing Jezebel. Yeah, Jezebel. But you and I will be the only ones to know that it's Jezebel, but people will call you Jays.
I like that.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Jays. So Jays, from now henceforth, you're no longer Rachel.
Okay.
You know, I decided to recruit you to be my usher, my agent for the ministry. I decided to recruit you so you can help me make lost souls find their ways to me. So you are going to help me steal the souls of people. We are not in this to win souls. Now, Jace, I'm going to make you the biggest social media lifestyle influencer. I'm going to make you the queen of lifestyle, of travel and vlogs.
Wow.
The goal is for you to help me lure people into my ministry. This is what we're going to do. We are going to use spell to get people. So When I make you a big-time lifestyle influencer that parties all the time, all the young people you will invite, all the teenagers like you, how old are you again?
I'm 18, sir.
You're 18. All the young teenagers like you will be able to lure them on campuses, off-school parties. You're going to be throwing the biggest of parties. But what you're going to be doing for me is this. You see this? This is my spells concoction. Every drink that will be served must have a mixture of this. Once you spike their drink, they will lose control of their senses. Then, wherever they are, wherever they hear my voice, they will be under my spell.
Hello, sir.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have somebody you can use.
Oh, that's good. Beautiful. So how did you meet this person?
I made him fall in love with me. So I want to bring him so you see him and use him.
So I'm coming back to the office right away, so meet me at the office.
Okay, sir.
Minister.